Hello, my name is Lee Davis. I'm an AC Tech, South Florida, 10 years. Sorry for poor quality. This is from my phone. This here is a heat pump for my water heater. Right here, brand new Kenmore. Or not Kenmore, I'm sorry. It's a Whirlpool. It is $508 a year, roughly. Websites say in my area with my house, 4 people, it's about $585, which could be right. We use a lot of hot water. I built this with a Frigidaire Nearline Air Handler 210 with a LG rotary 8000 BTU window unit compressor. Good compressors, very, very good. I have a secondary subcooler in my return air to help release any excess heat. It goes back into the evaporator, into the refrigeration system to repeat itself. It gets recycled. The condensate goes into a bucket. It's been like this for about a year now. I didn't think it would last this long, but it's lasted. It's worked pretty well. Again, this is all put together with scrap stuff I had left over from jobs. So Groothuis water circulator from a hot water system. This is a high pressure gauge with filter dryer, sight glass, and high pressure switch in case the pump fails, something happens, shut my machine down. This here is a adjustable expansion valve, insulated. It's sweating right now, it's running. Low pressure switch, sensing bulb here, and low pressure gauge. It's about 90, a little bit less than 90 right now. It's pulling in some heat from the house. Cooler air though. My head pressure right now is just over 300, 320, which is kind of high considering my tank is about 114 degrees. This goes to a sensing bulb that's between the metal and the insulation. Measures the tank temperature. This is my temperature gauge here of water in and water out. Water in is 115. Water out is 119 Fahrenheit. 4.2 degree difference. Positive, very positive increase. My discharge air, I don't know if you could see it. You can't. It's about 72 degrees. We have about 75 coming in right now, 76. Works pretty good. I have a set of 1.2 kilowatt an hour. Cost per year, which is what AirTap's website says to set it at. I don't know if you can see that. It's going through a kilowatt meter, a Ryobi kilowatt meter. It says $167 a year to heat my water versus that. Plus, I'm not measuring what my 220 blower is pulling. It's a 220 blower in here. It's not being fed through the kilowatt meter because that's a 110 circuit. So I can't measure that. That's pulling about 1 amp. Not measuring that, and I'm not measuring my additional cooling I'm getting from this unit when it does run, which it does run a little bit in the afternoon when everybody's got a shower, clothes get washed. It's a flicker light to let me know that my water heater is running. Kind of funny. Looks warm and cozy, but yet it blows out cold air. Give me any questions or comments. Let me know what you think. Tesla 500 inspired me to do this because this is what I do for a living. Thank you. Bye.